Hello everyone. Here's a simple 3D model made using a 3D modeling software. The software helps you to make a solid model. It can be either part modeling or assembly model. This small simple presentation is not just for engineers, it is also for general people who are from non-engineering background and want to understand about 3D modeling. 3D modeling is very simple. You need not have a lot of technology degree or else any certifications. If you want to understand this, it's very simple. If you have a simple 3D modeling software available in the market, either for free or else a paid version. A lot of commercial softwares are available to make this 3D model. If you are using Mac version or if you are using iPad Air apps available in the App Store, Apple Store, these apps are simple and affordable. Like you can go for Shaper 3D or else Nomad Sculpt. With this, you can make a 3D model in a simple manner. Important thing is after making the model, you can also see using AR, augmented reality, and then you can print the model if you want to convert this virtual product into a real model.